guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually really excited about it because I am going to be doing a little room makeover, and this time it's gonna be like a little fall Halloween room makeover. It is currently September 6th, so for me it is already fall Halloween season, so I had to bring out the Halloween fall decor. So I got the goods here. So I got my little decorative pillows from the garage, and then I have this little bin that has like my fall Halloween stuff. And then I did buy a couple stuff from Target, Walgreens, and the Dollar Tree. Let me just show you guys what my room looks like right now. So yeah, this is just a little overview of what my room looks like right now. I do have like 1 or 2 decoration already up. I just had a little pumpkin thing I got from Ross, and then I just put that little pumpkin thing on my plant. So I guess I'll start off with putting my pillows in my bed and getting rid of some pillows and putting my fall ones. I do have some Christmas ones, so let me just take them out and see which ones are my fall Halloween ones. Ooh, got this one, this one. Of course, gotta put my little Nightmare Before Christmas ones. Okay. Oh, another Christmas one. Halloween. Oh, damn. I didn't realize I had this much Halloween pillows, and I bought more. I have a little pillow problem. Okay. Oh, another Nightmare Before Christmas one. Alright, and that's it for the Halloween pillow. So this is what the bed looks like right now. I put like some pillows there. I have quite a few pillows, I know. And then I just put I kept this orange blanket there because it fits with the theme. And then I just put my little Halloween blanket I got from Target, and I just put it across the bed just to add that pop of orange to my bed. And then now let's see what else I could put around my room. Alright, so I just went ahead and looked through my bin and all the stuff I bought, and I just split it into categories just so it could help guide me. You know, right here I have like all my lights. Right here I have like all the fall leaves, flowers, garlands. And then right here I have like pumpkins and little things I could put on the side. And then right here I have my signs. And then I have my little Nightmare Before Christmas section right here, which is one of my favorites. As you can see by my shirt, I love Nightmare Before Christmas. I'm trying to keep like an orange theme, so I don't know how this little section might go, but I'm just gonna put everything together and see how it turns out. I am gonna go ahead and get my little fall flowers and remove the flowers I have right there, so I could substitute them with the fall ones I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on that, and I'm also gonna remove the flowers there to put some of these. So hopefully I have enough. So this is the progress of this right here. So I switched up the flowers to make it look more like fall, but I might switch some of these like this one and switch them to these or other fall leaves, just so it'll look a lot more put together. But this is what it looks like right now. And then I also added like the fall flowers right there as well. So yeah, that's the progress so far. Alright, and then now I'm just gonna go through this stuff right here and see where I could put all these pumpkins. Thinking of putting some up there, some in my desk area, some up there, and then I am like with the little succulents like these, I'm just gonna put them where I have like my little cactus area. So right here, thinking of adding them right here and maybe adding some extra decor. So I'm just gonna go through all this right here and see where it fits best. And then for my wall decor like this, I'm thinking of taking off my giraffe one, well both of them, and putting these Halloween signs up instead. So I'm gonna go mess around with all of this and see how it all turns out. So I went to Target and I finally found the little neon boo sign that I've been looking for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and finalize my room decor and add it in between my flowers. Before I had a do what you love sign that was like in neon purple, but doesn't really go with the fall theme I want to go for. So I really wanted an orange neon light, which I did find. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it up and hopefully it looks cool. I'm so excited. Let's see how it turns out. Alright, so now I am finally done with my room decoration. So now it is time for the room tour and show you guys how it turned out. So let's just get started. So first, right here is just the door. This stayed the same. I just have my picture collage going on and then just my flower sign. And then right here I have my flower wall. So before I had like colorful flowers, but now I put more like fall colors and fall flowers to go more with the theme. And then I put this boo sign that says boo. I got this from Target. What I like about this sign is that you could switch the mode. You could either have it like this, how it is right now, or you could just have it like this where it just says boo. All the letters light up at once. And then right next to my flower wall I have my fake plant right here. I just added some fall flowers around it just so I could give it that fall vibe. And then this basically just stayed the same. The only thing I added was like one little pumpkin right there and then two pumpkins right there. And then right next to it I have my drawer right here, and I just did this little spooky like Christmas tree. Have my ornaments, try to go for like an orange theme for my whole room, and then just added a couple of pumpkins. Most of these pumpkins I got from the Dollar Tree. They were like $1 each, and then I just added some small little pumpkins underneath the tree and then some orange lights. And then next to it I have my favorite part of my room, which is my bed. So I just added like orange blankets got this blanket from Target last year, and then I got this one from Ross, and then on the side I just have this pumpkin pillow that I got from Target. And then I have my room. I love how it turned out. My pillows, most of my pillows are from Target. Yes, I believe all of these I got from Target. I got some of them last year, and then these the year before that. So these are just a collection of pillows I've been getting throughout the years at Target. And then I have my sign right here that says thankful, grateful, blessed. And then right there, just like a pumpkin patch sign that points to my pumpkins right here. So again, I have pumpkins that I got from Dollar Tree. This one actually lights up, so let me turn it on real quick. So yeah, I got this like pumpkin that switches colors. This one's from the Dollar Tree. Then again, my plants and pumpkins, and then I have my moon face. Again, before I had colorful flowers, but now I just switched it to fall flowers. So that's my bed. Then next to my pumpkin sign, I have these little things right here. I just got these glitter things from Dollar Tree. Another one right here on each side, and then I added a fall garland I got from the Dollar Tree. And then my little plants here, I just added some fake leaves just again to add that touch of fall. And then my Nightmare Before Christmas light. And then next to my window in this little corner, I have what I call my Nightmare Before Christmas corner. I just have my little plushies. I think that's what they're called. I got these from Walgreens. I get a lot of my Nightmare Before Christmas stuff from Walgreens. And then my Sally pillow, and then I have a Nightmare Before Christmas blanket underneath that, also from Walgreens. And then where I have my wands, I just added 2 fall flowers on each side. And then next to this right here, I have my little cacti corner, succulent corner, whatever you want to call it, underneath my TV. So I have my succulents. I got this from Target. So most of these I got at Target actually. So yeah, all these I got at Target. These are my little cacti from Home Depot. Ow, I pooped myself. Then I have my light up like Mickey pumpkin that I got from Walgreens 2 years ago. And then this little Pennywise succulent I actually got from Walmart this year. So I thought this was cute, added that spooky vibe. And then more fake cute little succulents. So this is my little section underneath my TV. And then right here I have another fake succulent. This one's from Walmart as well. And then my Jack skeleton. And then my Nightmare Before Christmas spooky tree that I got from Walgreens. And then just where I have my pens, pencil, and then right here I have my desk. So I added quite a few stuff to it. I have this little bowl where I just have my pens and paper clips and all that. Another little succulent that says Hello Autumn. Some fall flowers. I do have some fall candles as well. And then just have this more candy, and then got this little sign that says broom parking. I got this from Target. And then my stacked pumpkins I got from Ross. I thought this was super cute. I think it would be cool to add like some lights in there. And then I have my mirror right here. I got these. I had colorful lights on it before, but you know, to fill that fall theme, I got these orange lights from the Dollar Tree. And right here I just have my water bottle that I got from Walmart. It lights up. I love it. Let me show you. I feel like, see, that's my water bottle. It's so cool. On top of my desk where I have my plants, I added more lights. Just like the other one, this one lights up as well. There you go. And then more pumpkins. Then I got this little pumpkin thing from Target to put with my plant. And then I just added a book just to add that little aesthetic, I guess. So that's that. And then I just have a sign that says Hello Fall up there. And then I have my full-length mirror right here. All I did for this is I just added some fall garlands around it and some little lights. Right now, and later on in the day when it gets dark, I'll show you how my room looks like with the lights. And that's that. And then just my whiteboard, it just says Happy Halloween. And then under my moon face, added more fall garlands. And then just added a couple little Halloween signs right there. And then I just have my giraffe with some little Halloween ears. And then I have this basket right here with fall socks and Halloween socks. And well, yeah, that is my fall room tour. This is how it looks, and then I am gonna show you how it looks in the night with all the lights on. Alright, so that is it for my fall room decor. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the process of me decorating and enjoy seeing the little room tour. If you guys do want to see a Christmas version of my room makeover when I decorate for Christmas, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And also give this video a thumbs up if you just enjoyed this video overall. And also, if you are new on this side of the internet, or if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below. It would mean a lot to me if you guys do. And well, like always, see you guys next time.